teaching, reading. Well, these are what call wrongly uttered or pronounced words. So they need to be corrected. That is ni sound, meaning we have to pronounce them with their correct pronunciation. That is teaching, right? Teaching. So don't say teaching or reading or writing. So they must be pronounced with sound, like teaching, reading, moving, going, right? So stick to this pronunciation or utterance. Reading, I'm writing right now. I'm speaking to you, speaking.